This is how to make this Dreamy glow effect in After Effects. So first we need to duplicate the video layer. So select it and press Ctrl+D to duplicate it. Now head over to the effects panel and search Luma key and apply it to the duplicated video layer. Now in the effects controls we are going to use the Luma key effect to remove all dark areas from our video so the white areas can glow. And in order to do this we need to increase the threshold of the effect. But as you can see, nothing happens. That's because our bottom layer is still active. So simply click on this eye to disable it. And we can now see this black areas from the threshold setting. And what you need to do is to increase the value until most of the black areas in the video is fully blacked out and the white areas are still the same. And once you've done this, increase the edge feather value so you get some smoother edges. Now head over to the effects panel and search Gaussian blur and apply it to the same clip as before. Now simply increase the blurriness value to around 40 or whatever you like the most. Now we only need to set the blend mode to screen. So click on toggle switches and modes and let's set the blend mode of the duplicated clip to screen. And also enable the bottom layer by clicking on this gray space. And we can now see the effect that we have created. We can also enable and disable the top clip to see the before and after. Subscribe.